How to replace the backrest actuator on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. To remove the backrest actuator, you will first need to remove the backrest cover and the foot and calf massager. Be sure to keep all parts for reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Remove the 4 screws securing the backrest cover to the chair, then detach the cover. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery from the body pad and detach the hook and loop fasteners on the upholstered flap. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws and washers from the mounting brackets on the chair. Flip the 2 mounting brackets up, then to remove the mounting posts from the brackets, lift the foot and calf massager up and slightly towards you, keeping the massager close to the chair to avoid damage. Pull downward on the air hose to remove from the chair, then press the tab on the connector and pull down to detach. Now, remove the 5 screws securing the lower front cover and detach the cover. Place the tablet on the seat, then lift up on the tablet holder to remove and set aside. Carefully tip the chair over onto its right side by using one hand to lift from the bottom of the side panel and the other to stabilize and prevent the chair from falling. Be sure there is enough space to fit the full chair on its side. Cut the zip ties securing the actuator's harness connectors to the chair frame, then disconnect the 2 connectors. There may be an additional zip tie securing the white connector together, which will also need to be removed before disconnecting. Remove the clip securing the pin on the front end of the actuator. Then remove the pin to free the front of the actuator from the chair frame. Now, adjust the chair frame to access the rear side of the actuator. Remove the 2 screws and pins securing the top side. Then remove the remaining 2 screws and pin from the bottom. Be sure to hold on to the actuator when removing the second pin to avoid damage. To install the new backrest actuator, place the actuator into position. Then align the screw hole on the rear side of the actuator to the metal bracket and secure using the screws and pins previously removed. Now, adjust the chair frame as needed to align the front of the actuator to its corresponding bracket. Secure using the pin and clip previously removed. Reconnect the two actuator harness connectors, matching the white connecting ends to each other, then the black connectors. Make sure the harness and connectors run along the chair frame, not crossing over to the outside of the frame. Secure the harness to the front of the chair frame using 2 new zip ties and cut off the excess tie. Carefully tip the chair back to the upright position. Then, reinstall the lower front cover using the 5 screws previously removed and making sure the fabric is behind the footrest wheel. Place the foot and calf massager into position. Connect the air hose to the chair, pushing up firmly to ensure it is fully inserted. Then, with the connector tab facing toward you, connect to the chair. Flip the 2 mounting brackets up. Slide the 2 massager mounting posts into the brackets on the chair. The brackets on the chair flip forward to secure the posts. Replace the 2 Phillips head screws and washers previously removed. Press the upholstered flap downward to secure using the hook and loop fasteners, and then zip the foot and calf massager upholstery to the body pad. Insert the tablet holder post into the socket, then place the tablet into the holder. Now, slide the back cover onto the chair, matching the tabs to their corresponding spaces on the upper backrest, then secure the backrest to the chair base using the 4 screws previously removed.